I've done my brows and the rest of my foundation off camera because I am a bit anxious. I don't want to be late. The event is at the Exchange TRX. I've never been there yet, but it's like 1 hour away from here. That's why I'm in a hurry. So I'm applying concealer from Huda Beauty. I don't want my base to look very made up because it's daytime and I want to be comfortable with my makeup. Here a little bit. I've never really went to an event. I don't think that this is like a big event. It's a small event, but I never went to something like this. Before I was invited by Skintific, that was a big event, but I didn't go because I had problems with my car, so I couldn't go. I'm gonna blend my concealer. With my finger first, and then I'm gonna go over with the brush. Go over with the brush. Also, this is very distracting and very annoying, but I have to do my hair. If not, I won't look presentable because my hair is very frizzy. And then for the powder, I'm using this puff that I just got, I think 3 days ago. Just gonna set my eyes, my forehead, just where I applied my concealers. So smooth. I think I'm gonna, do I want to wear like a cream blush? I think since we are in a hurry, I'm not gonna do cream anything. I'm just gonna powder my face. The event is at 12. Right now it's almost 10, but I have to be there by 11:45. I'm gonna do my eyes first. Let's do the easiest eye makeup ever. I'm using this Tom Ford eyeshadow duo in the color Naked Bronze. I'm going to take the cream part and just apply all over my eyes. See? Very easy. Very easy and fast. This is just as a base. I can just stop here, but I think I'm gonna put some powder on top. Okay, that's done. And then I'm gonna take some colors from this Natasha Denona palette. Maybe just on the crease. I'm gonna take this color Nurture on the crease. And also under my eyes. And then I'm gonna darken the eye area a little bit with the color Familia. Not too much of it, just to deepen my crease area. And also down the eyes. My cat is meowing outside, but I don't want him to come in here because he can be a little bit clumsy. And I am also clumsy and I'm in a hurry, so that's not gonna be a good mix. I think the eyes is looking pretty good. I'm gonna take some shimmer in the color either Thrill or in the color Spontaneous. Brush is kind of flat a little bit. Color Spontaneous. Put it in the center here. Can you see the difference? Center here. And then a little bit in the inner corner. And maybe in the frame. I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy brush like this and just buff everything so that your look is seamless. Even though we want like a, I think I put too much here. Even though we are in a hurry, but we have to make sure that our makeup looks seamless. Should I line my tight line? Maybe we can do a little bit. For the bronzer, we're going with this one by Sephora. This is how it looks like. Bronzer is my favorite part of makeup. When I say bronzing, I don't mean like sculpting my face. I mean like putting this product to the oblivion. Sometimes I feel like I overdo it, but bronzy skin is always a look here because it's a tropical country, it's hot, so it's becoming. So I'm gonna bronze here and here. I need a bigger mirror. When you apply your bronzer, make sure that you get into your hairline because you don't want to look like you have a bright line around your face because you didn't bronze your hairline, so you have to make sure that you do that. I think the skin looks pretty nice and smooth. For powder blush, I'm using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Blue Blush in the color 40. But I have to be careful with this one because I don't know what happened to it, but it broke. So I have to be really careful. I want to brighten certain parts of my face a little bit, so I'm gonna use this Glowish by Huda Beauty Luminous Press Powder in the color 1.5 Fair Cool. A little bit under the eyes, in the middle of my forehead. Chocolate chunk dengan macadamia white chocolate. Thank you. I just got home from the workshop, and before I remove my makeup, I'm gonna show you what I got from the workshop just now. We got a few goodies from the workshop just now. The first one is this lipstick. This is a full-size lipstick. This is a matte lipstick. I swear I woke up this morning and I thought, I think I need more nude lipstick, and I got this one. This one is in the shade French Tea. I've never I own a few Lancôme lipstick, but not this kind of lipstick. I used to use the Juicy Shaker. That was the best, but they have discontinued the product. I don't know why, but it was such a good product. And I have another one, like a lip tint. This is the bullet. You press at the top here to release the lipstick, and this is the color. This is like a warm tone nude. It's not coral, it's not actually pink, but I haven't swatched it yet, but from the tube I can see that it's a very matte lipstick. This is the only full-size item that I got. Of course, the cult favorite Lancôme Genifique Serum Perfume from Lancôme. It's so cute. It's like the full-size bottle, but in a mini version. It's so cute. This one smells very vanilla-ish. I will compare this to the one from Lancôme, which is La Vie est Belle, but this one is more fresh in my opinion. And then for the participant in the workshop, we've got a special discount from Lancôme when we purchased today. So I've got their new eye blusher in the color Earth Red and Sandstorm. This is Earth Red and this is Sandstorm. This is matte finish. And then this one is in the color Sandstorm. This is a gold, I will say a gold color with a shimmer. And these two together, for me, I think they go together very well. I can even layer this on top. They complement each other very much. That's why I chose these two colors. Other than that, I didn't do much at the mall just now. For me, it looks like just another mall, just another big mall like KLCC and Pavilion. So I decided just buy some Ben's cookies because I wanted to try them. And then I went home.
And you're the one that claims you didn't know $20 million was deposited in your account?
Wasn't actually, and the government's proven that, so you're a little late.